Okay. Buongiorno and welcome for a quick look at the new VT-X V25 loudspeaker from JBL. This is our new flagship full-size line array system, and it's a complete turnkey package with a lot of very interesting technology inside this enclosure. I would say the most exciting thing is the D2 dual compression driver. That you can see there are two diaphragms. These are annular ring radiator diaphragms, so we don't have problems with dome breakup modes that cause distortion. It's a lighter diaphragm, so it goes higher in frequency. It goes all the way out to 30 kilohertz, and there's virtually no distortion compared to a traditional compression driver. Very clean, very hi-fi, and very high power handling too. It's a 200-watt continuous device. 3 of these guys inside the V25. And a very sophisticated waveguide, RBI we call this, a radiation boundary integrator. You can see the cutaway of the waveguide here. So on the back side there are 4 8-inch differential drive components, 3 D2 compression drivers, and this chamber here is called a track tuned resonant absorption chamber. So basically the back pressure of the midsection can create a standing wave in the throat section, and the volume of this chamber is tuned to that resonant frequency, and absorbing material helps eliminate that cancellation. This is something we used to have with other sort of products with this type of topology with the mids crossfiring. That's an issue, and we've resolved that with the V25. The other exciting technology is differential drive. Here we see over here our excuse me guys, this is a differential drive woofer. Has 2 voice coils, 2 magnets. This is a 4-inch voice coil on this 2000 watts power handling, 2-hour AES rating, and there's really nothing like this 15 in the industry. So we've compared to the existing 89, we've lowered the height of the enclosure by 3 inches, and we have a active rating surface area going straight to the edge of the enclosure, so we have coupling from all the way from 0 to 10 degrees with good horizontal control, 90 degrees plus or minus 15, very tight dispersion pattern horizontally, the stability of that. And we've also improved the suspension system on the V25. We've got a flip hinge in the front for connecting cabinets with anti-rattle treatment, spring-loaded mechanism here. And in the back we have an angle stop mechanism where we can pre-select the angle on the enclosures. We can just slide up the hinge bar, pin it, and then we pre-select the angle down below using this mechanism. And so you don't have to bump your motors up and down to make the holes line up. It's nice and safe and secure and fast for the suspension. So those are the key features. Here you can see inside the cabinet we're using an aluminum baffle just for the lightweight and the rigidity and heat sinking properties. There's where the mids would mount, the 15, all radiating port surface area in the corners, and very lightweight, strong baffle system. And that's about it. You really have to hear it to appreciate it.